Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for being here. Today we are making a special recipe, Efo Riro. This is a delicious Nigerian spinach stew. It is very simple to make, yet very tasty. You cannot afford to miss any part of this video. Pay attention, let's cook. Here are the ingredients we need for this stew. I will give the full list and their measurements in the description box. Leaf spinach. Frozen spinach is good as well. Stockfish. Ground crayfish. Chicken bouillon. Nkiru, also called locust bean. Red bell peppers. Scotch bonnet peppers. Onions. Dried fish. Assorted meats. I'm using goat meat, cow tripe, and cow skin. You can use meats of choice. And finally, we have palm oil. We start by prepping the ingredients. I already cooked the meat and the stockfish to save our cooking time. Use the food processor and coarsely blend 1 onion, scotch bonnet peppers, and red bell peppers. Remember, you don't use water for the blending. I want you to observe how coarsely I blended the ingredients. Now go ahead and chop 1 onion and keep aside. In a boiling water, blanch the spinach for about 40 seconds to a minute, not more than a minute. You want to remove every dirt or microorganisms on the spinach. After 40 seconds, drain the spinach and put it in very cold water to stop the cooking process. Go ahead and squeeze out excess fluid from the spinach and keep aside. We finished prepping the ingredients. Now the real cooking begins. Heat up the palm oil on medium heat, but do not bleach the oil, please. Add the chopped onions and fry for about 2 minutes. Now add the Nkiru and fry for 2 minutes. You will actually perceive the aroma because the aroma of Nkiru is out of this world. Trust me. Add the crayfish powder and fry for about 30 seconds. Do not exceed 30 seconds because you don't want burnt crayfish, which will spoil the entire soup. Add the pepper mix. Ensure to rinse the food processor with some water because you don't want to waste anything. Add the chicken bouillon and salt. Mix to combine very well. Add the stockfish. Stockfish is optional, but I use it because it takes Efo Riro a higher notch, and the flavor, oh my goodness, you don't want to miss it. Mix to incorporate, cover partially, and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you see oil floating on the top, an indication that the stew is ready. Go ahead and add the dry fish. I deboned and pre-soaked the fish. Mix to combine very well. Add the pre-cooked meat and mix again. Our stew is very dry, so I'll go ahead and add the stock from the meat and the stockfish. Mix to combine very well. Cover it and simmer for 5 minutes. Go ahead and add the spinach. If you like, you can cut your spinach. I didn't cut mine. I prefer to use the leaf. Isn't this beautiful? Wait until you taste it. Then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Go ahead and gently turn the stew. Cover it and allow it to simmer for about a minute so the spinach doesn't overcook. And the deliciousness is ready. You can eat this as it is, or serve it with fufu of choice or eba, or white rice. The choice is yours. One thing I guarantee you is that if you try this recipe, you will come back to thank me. If you enjoyed the video, please share with your friends and family. And subscribe if you haven't done so. Activate the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I share another recipe. I greatly appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Until next video, This is Nkiru wishing you the best through life. Cheers and stay blessed. Bye bye.